Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 11th, 2022. We're going to talk about Dwac today because they got an extension. And I told you all on my last video, which was on September the 7th, that if price in Dwac was able to trade above $22, then we understand that there's still some stability and that buyers are still coming into the market in Dwac, and we can actually come through and try to predict where we're going to go next. So I'm going to talk about that today. A real quick video just to show you all what I'm seeing on the chart without any confusion. So if you guys want to join me, if today's your first time ever seeing my videos, my content, then go ahead and hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I would also recommend that you tap that bell notification because I don't want you all to miss out on having a head start amongst our competition. Yes, every participant involved in Dwac is our competitor. They are playing against us and vice versa. We're going against them, and we want to make sure that we are in position to beat them at this game. So let's go ahead and look at this quick article from the street. Not going to go too much into it, but we can see that last time I did a video, they failed to find enough shareholder support late yesterday for a 1-year extension on his merger plans. Instead, they got a 3-month extension out of it, okay, which lasts until December the 10th, while postponing a vote deadline on the full 1-year extension until October the 10th. So for them to extend it for the next year, they're going to vote on October the 10th. All right. The group could add another 3 months to his life as a corporate entity after December, but would need to liquidate and return its cash to shareholders after that if it hasn't completed the Trump Media and Technology Group merger. All right. So towards the end of this year, yeah, we're going to figure out whether or not they will eventually turn Trump Media Technology Group into a public company. All right. So let's go ahead and look at the chart real quick. I told you all on September the 7th, pay attention. We want to see buyers come into the market in Dwac just like they did back in June of this year. And price did confirm that, right? The buyers came into the market on September the 6th and the 7th. And since then, price has been trading above our $22 level. That's a positive sign. That is something that we want to see. That is something that we want the market to confirm for us. Okay. Now, that doesn't mean that price is going to moon. It doesn't mean that price is going to rocket. No, it just simply means that we've noticed where the buyers are being located, where they're positioned. Okay. Because we still have to recognize that the market price in Dwac is still in a downturn. We're still trending down. So this downtrend line, which is drawn on my chart, is going to be real important in my video today. If price gets rejected on this downtrend line, which you all can see, we know where we need to be sellers. Yes. So it's not like we're looking for price in Dwac to go exceedingly higher. Okay. So I wanted to show you the hourly time frame real quick. We can kind of tell that even amidst the selling that comes into the market, which is right here, we can tell that buyers still came in because price did not fall. Okay. That's on the 1-hour chart. Looking at this on the 30, again, we can still see that price in Dwac is not trying to go down. So we're going to continue to look for price to go up. It's not hard. This is not complicated. I like it here on the 3-hour chart as well, because even when we do see weakness, okay, let me point these arrows to where weakness and selling is coming in the market right here. But the next 3-hour price bar, the market continues to go higher. This is what the chart is letting us know. So this is going to be a very quick video. We're going to look for the price in Dwac to trend higher. Okay. Now, how high though? I'm not one of those moon YouTube channels that is going to simply tell you that Dwac is going to run all the way up to $100. No, I do things more realistic in the sense of how price moves. All right. So even though we like that price is trading above $22, I'm going to extend my support area down to 21. My first price target in the market to see Dwac run up towards is going to be right here, around 25. You guys can see it's only a meager 4.5%. Yes, we'll take it, because if we understand that the market is going to flip there, we want to make sure we run out the way and take the profitability. Right? We want to do that. So if the market's only going to give us 4.5%, who are we to say we don't want to take it? That's a win. This is what we do here. We try to win more often than we try to lose. So we'll take profitability there. My second one's going to be up here around 26. You guys can see that's around 8.75% profitability. All right, so let me hit this back over to the daily chart. And this is how we're going to look at the market in Dwac moving as we approach the month of October. Now, don't be surprised if you see the market come up here to the downtrend line and price comes back down. Expect that. We see this though, then we are already in position because we're expecting the price to continue to go up anyway. So it's a win-win. Now, give me your thoughts. Where do you think the price in Dwac is headed? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.